Bonjour class, these are the grammar notes for Unit 1. And in this unit we will review the present tense of avoir and être. And we're also going to look at the adjectives nouveau, vieux, and beau. Okay, avoir means to have. So this is just a review of the different forms. We have j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. And être, which means to be, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Okay, now we are looking at 3 new adjectives. We have beau, which is handsome, nouveau, which is new, vieux, which is old. And these are special because usually adjectives are placed after the noun they describe, but these 3 adjectives are placed before the noun they describe. Okay, so look at this example. Monsieur Michaud est notre nouveau professeur. Mr. Michaud is our new professor. See, nouveau comes in front of professeur. The feminine forms are belle, nouvelle, and vieille. If you have a feminine plural noun, you just add s to the feminine forms. For example, Paris est une vieille ville. Paris is an old city. Où sont les nouvelles voitures? Where are the new cars? Okay, not carts, cars like that you drive. Okay, now here's where they're slightly irregular. Okay, before a masculine noun that begins with a vowel sound, use belle, B-E-L, nouvelle, and vielle. For masculine plural nouns, use beau, nouveau, and vieux. So, Farid est un nouvel élève. Farid is a new student. Ses chiens sont beaux. His dogs are beautiful. Okay, and then here are some of the regular adjectives that go after the word they describe. And I just want to show you the masculine and feminine forms. Okay, boring is ennuyeux, and it's normal for a masculine adjective that ends in an EUX to change to an EUSE in the feminine form, so you have ennuyeuse. Okay, athletic, you have sportif and sportive, and it's also common for adjectives that end in IF to change to IVE in the feminine. Long has a spell changing to GUE in the feminine. And intellectuel, it doubles the L and you add another E in the feminine form. And that is also typical of adjectives that end in EL. Okay, if you have any questions or having trouble with the material, you can email me or call me at the number below.